How social media can help you to grow your business. 1. Build your authentic brand presence. Your social media presence supports in generating your online reputation as the brand gets suggested and referred. 2. Cost-effective marketing tool. Having the digital presence on the social media platforms comes in your budget. 3. Enhanced search engine rankings. Using the mere strategies of SEO is not enough for your brand to rank higher on search engines. 4. Increased conversion rates. With easy reach and simplified functioning of the social media marketing, the business growth is exponential. 5. Expand audience reach. Social media marketing allows you to be in the eyes of the audience of any age. From the age group of 18 to 70s, one can observe the usage of social media by everyone. 6. Content matters for social media marketing. The engaging content of the social media posts is relevant to generate the interest in the target audience. 7. Include videos for social media promotion. User-friendly graphics and video is necessary to boost the performance of social media, as they are lucrative and appealing. 8. Know your audience. Moreover, monitor the online campaign by reviewing at the number of shares, likes, comments and tweets. 9. An effective customer support system. As brand can constantly keeping in touch with their audience by providing personalized service to the audience through instant message and responses to the queries of the consumer. 10. Selection of social media platform. And yes, not all the social media platforms work equally. Each platform has its own target and set of audience. 11. Educate your audience. Informing about your product or service details through the attractive social media posts is impactful and resourceful for the target audience. 12. Use of hashtags. Needless to say, hashtags have popularized the social media posts. The usage of right words and tagging is of huge help in generating social media traffic.